Let's learn how to deposit funds using cryptocurrencies step by step, so even if you're completely new, you'll know exactly what to do. Start by logging into your client portal. Once logged in, click on Deposit here. Choose the trading account you want to deposit into, then select Crypto as your payment option. Pick the cryptocurrency you want to use. Popular options like Bitcoin or Ethereum are processed instantly once posted on a blockchain. Blockchain is a secure system that processes crypto transfers. Other cryptocurrencies are also supported, though processing times may vary, usually just a few minutes. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Double-check that it meets the minimum deposit requirement. Make sure to check the box for the bonus if you wish to receive it. For cryptocurrency deposits over $1,000, you'll also receive a 5% discount. Agree to the terms and conditions, click Next. Carefully review all your deposit details. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. A unique wallet address will be generated for your transaction. A wallet address is like a bank account number for crypto transfers, and each cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. It's crucial to use only the provided wallet address for your deposit. Avoid reusing past addresses, as doing so may cause delays or, in the worst-case scenario, result in lost funds. Now you need to buy the amount you want to deposit in Bitcoin or any other chosen cryptocurrency using your crypto wallet or exchange. These are the apps or platforms where you store, buy, and send cryptocurrencies. Think of them like digital banks for crypto. For this tutorial, we're using the Trust Wallet app. Once you've purchased the right amount, open your wallet, tap Send, and select the cryptocurrency. Paste the wallet address from your client portal or scan the QR code if available. Enter the exact amount and complete the transfer. Don't worry about receiving crypto in your trading account, because we automatically convert it to dollars and credit your balance. After you send your crypto, your funds appear in your trading account automatically. If you deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum, we credit your account right away. No waiting for blockchain confirmations. Most brokers require you to wait while the blockchain verifies your transaction, but we don't. You get access to your funds as soon as your wallet broadcasts the transaction, making it simple and fast for the first-time users. If you have any questions or need extra support, our customer service team is available 24/7 to help you at any step. Thank you for following along.